Hello friends, welcome to Happy Home Tuber, and in this video I'm going to show you the recipe for ragi chocolate pancakes, and they are super delicious, yummy and healthy recipe for breakfast. And ragi flour being healthy has numerous health benefits. So do try this recipe and watch this video till end. To start, we will take a mixing bowl and we will add half cup of ragi flour into that. Now we are going to add 1/4 cup of wheat flour or atta. So here I am not using any kind of refined flour. To this we are going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and this is unsweetened one. So just keep mixing it. If you want, you can sift these dry flours also. And now we are going to add half teaspoon of baking powder. Also baking soda, we are taking only 1/4 teaspoon. And now we are going to add a pinch of salt. To this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. If you are taking salted butter, then you can skip the salt. So here I have taken unsalted butter. So if it's melted, then it will be easier for you to mix it. Now we are taking milk, and in total I am taking only 3/4 cup of milk. So just keep on adding it gradually to make a batter. So I am adding very slowly. Now we are going to add some sugar. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of sugar. You can also take jaggery powder in that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it properly so that no lumps will be there. So here I am taking a hand whisker only. So slowly we need to add our milk, because if we will add milk all at once, then it will form lumps. So we are adding little by little, and you can see our mixture looks smooth and rich. So you can see our ragi chocolate pancake batter is getting ready. And ragi is very healthy, and if we are including it in a breakfast, which is the first meal of the day, then it is the best time to include the ragi flour. So, and it is a healthy option for every age group. So even for babies also you can give these pancakes, and kids, they love it because we are adding the chocolate flavor, so they can't say no to that. So do try this recipe. Now in a pan or a pancake maker, we need to drizzle some oil or a butter, and we need to keep the flame on low to medium only, because ragi flour has a tendency to burn very fast. So just keep an eye on that and keep the flame very low or medium. So with the help of ice cream scooper or a ladle, we will take 1 scoop of our batter and we will pour it on a pan. Don't make it very thin because it looks good when it's fluffy. So here I am taking 1 more scoop of batter and I am putting it. In few seconds you will see it will be round in shape and some bubbles will be formed. So here you can see some bubbles are formed. So this is the correct time to flip it. Because we are adding ragi flour, so it is a bit delicate to flip. So just you need to be careful while flipping it. Repeat the process and make all your pancakes. These are super yummy and they are smelling so delicious. So once done, you just need to keep it on a plate. I am dusting some powdered sugar on top of that. You can top it with any fruits of your choice. So here I have taken some blueberries and some strawberries. You can add any seasonal fruit of your choice. You can add bananas, and also you can drizzle some honey or maple syrup. So I am putting some fruits on top of it, and it looks so gorgeous and so yummy. So guys, do check this recipe, do try this and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned. Until then, bye, and do subscribe to your own channel Happy Home Tuber. Thank you. Bye.